In this video, I am going to show you how to change language in Meta Business Suite. So, let's cut to the chase. First off, you have to search Facebook and go into your Facebook and log in. Once you do that, just go to your settings and privacy and go click settings. And once you are in this page, just navigate language and region. And once you click that, this is where you find account language and you can pick any language you want. Even in posts from friends and pages, even its region format, and as you can see account language, you can see several or tons of languages you can choose from. So it will change the language of your Facebook. After you click one of them, you just have to click save and that's it. It will change the language. That's it.